Bloomberg.com. Nick Thompson, thanks for joining us today from New York.
Thank you, Emily.
Up next, Shutterfly is still on a buying spree just a month after sweeping up Eastman Kodak's online gallery unit. Find out what they're buying now and what it means for their users coming up on Bloomberg West.
Are you paying more and more and more for cable and enjoying it less? Upgrade to Verizon Fios TV, internet, and phone for just $99.99 a month. Guaranteed for 1 year with no annual contract required. Act now and you'll also get a multi-room DVR free for life. But hurry, this is your last chance. Unlike cable, Fios is a 100% fiber optic network that delivers America's fastest, most consistent, most reliable internet. Plus the best TV picture quality. Tired of cable's inflated bills? Get Fios for just $99.99 a month for a year with no annual contract. Plus, get a multi-room DVR free for life as long as you keep a triple play bundle at your current address. Save over $235 each year. Last chance. This incredible offer ends June 16th. Call 1-888-879-FIOS. That's 1-888-879-3467. Fios, a network ahead.
Wouldn't you like to earn miles faster so you could get to your next vacation faster? Well, now you can with the new Citi Platinum Select Advantage card. Become a card member and you can earn 40,000 American Airlines Advantage bonus miles after you spend $3,000. 40,000 American Airlines Advantage miles, so start packing. In fact, your first checked bag is free for you and up to 4 companions. And there's no limit to the miles you can earn. We'll even pick up your annual fee for the first year. Call 800-368-1424 today. As a card member, you'll also enjoy priority boarding privileges. And with the Citi Advantage card, you'll earn 10% of your redeemed miles back to use again for your next trip. Call 800-368-1424 to apply for your Citi Advantage card and 40,000 Advantage bonus miles. Or visit Citi.com/travel.
This is Bloomberg West. I'm Emily Chang. Online photo management service Shutterfly has pulled the trigger on another deal, acquiring Israeli software company Photochino to help users better organize images. Our senior West Coast correspondent John Ehrlichman has more on this deal from the newsroom. John?
Hey, Emily. Yeah, Shutterfly's been busy. They bought Tiny Prints last year. More recently, acquired more than 500,000 Kodak gallery customers in a deal with Eastman Kodak. And now, Photochino. Jeffrey Housenbold is Shutterfly's CEO. He joins us now from New York. Jeff, I like the name, Photochino. We've been saying it a lot around the newsroom today. But you don't buy a company for its name. You buy it for the business behind it. What's Photochino going to do for you guys?
We're really excited about the Photochino acquisition today. 7 very talented folks in Israel who have built more than 30 proprietary algorithms that are able to interpret photos. Are there people in it? Are they smiling? How many people? Facial recognition. We're going to incorporate their software into our photo products that are going to make it easier and more delightful to make photo books, cards, stationery, and photo gifts.
So it certainly helps with organizing. You know, you were at a conference today speaking about your business. What did get some attention is one of your rivals, Snapfish, which is owned by HP. They had been very competitive on price. What you said is you're seeing a change there. Tell us more about that.
Yeah, what I said was since the last 3 weeks, we've been seeing a moderation in the discounting rate from one of our competitors, Snapfish. While 3 weeks doesn't make a trend, if that continues, especially in the all-important fourth quarter for us, that would be a net positive for Shutterfly.
Photo sharing is not your bread and butter business, but it has obviously gotten so much attention since Facebook's acquisition of Instagram. Tell us what you thought about that billion-dollar price tag that was paid for Instagram.
You know, I think the acquisition made a lot of strategic sense. Facebook is the largest online photo sharing company. They're browser-based. Instagram is the largest mobile photo sharing platform. The two came together. They're really focused about helping people share photos. Shutterfly, we have more than 10 billion photos uploaded, and we'll acquire another 5 billion with the Kodak acquisition. We're really in the business of focusing on those really important seminal events in life, those moments, the birthdays, the weddings, the graduations, the sweet 16s, the bar mitzvahs, the things that people are willing to take out their credit card and pay for and want to turn into everlasting products like our photo books.
So let's stay on that for a second, because I got the sense from some of the comments you made today that photo sharing specifically is not a moneymaker in your opinion. Is that what you said?
Yeah, if you look at, the dozens and dozens of companies that have focused just solely on photo sharing, it's quite difficult to monetize that. Flickr, Instagram, Path, Color, Fotiki. Lots of companies have tried photo sharing, but if that's your only business model, you largely have to monetize it through advertising, and it's difficult to get high CPMs because people are interested in looking at the photos instead of clicking off to advertisers. We have an interesting model where we give away services like photo sharing and photo editing and our award-winning photo sites, and we monetize through the purchase of our physical products.
Okay, so I guess what you're saying is you would not have paid $1 billion for Instagram.
Well, I think it's on a relative basis. If you look when they did that deal, they were valued at about $100 billion. So 1% of the company to acquire something that may have disintermediated you because a lot of growth was happening on mobile makes a lot of strategic sense. From a financial standpoint, $1 billion is a big headline number. Obviously, with the stock trading down, that's more like $600 or $700 million. But it's hard to tell from the outside. I think Facebook is a very smart company focused on broad, open graph photo sharing, and we're a more narrow focused on a community of people who matter most, and we're monetizing through product sales, and so they're very complementary services.
Hey Jeff, thanks as always for joining us.
My pleasure. Thanks, John.
Jeff Housenbold, CEO of Shutterfly. Emily, will send it back over to you.
Thanks, John. How will Facebook's IPO impact other companies considering going public, and does it change the prospects for new startups? We dig into those questions with a prominent VC next.